Hi friends, today we are going to visit Westminster Abbey. It's a famous and historic church in London. It is very close to Big Ben and the House of Parliament. It's over 1,000 years old and it has played a great role in British history. Westminster Abbey is known for its beautiful Gothic architecture with high curved ceilings and colorful glass windows. Many important people from British history are buried in the abbey, including kings, queens, poets, and writers. Famous names like Sir Isaac Newton, Charles Darwin, Stephen Hawking have their tombs there. Westminster Abbey is perhaps the most famous church in the UK, noted for its royal weddings, coronations, and burials. It is a place where history, art, and British culture come together, making it one of the most important and beautiful landmarks in the UK. Thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a new video soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.